so for some of you, you may know where I am, and I'm at Mary's mom and dad's place in Halifax area, and I am going to be flying to Ottawa today. Yep, because I'm a grown-up now, and I got myself a contract position for the next, well, I've been doing it really for the last 2 weeks, sort of, just kind of getting ready. But the contract's for 6 months to start. We'll see if it goes any longer, but 6 months for now. And flying to Ottawa. So instead of Mary having to drive all the way back to where we live from the city, I figured it would be better for me just to come in with her, drop her off at work, and then I'll pick her up when I need to go to the airport, and then we can just go, because that's just makes more sense. So I brought my laptops. Yeah, I brought my MacBook and my Huawei MateBook, and I'm gonna do some shooting this morning here, so you guys will see that video later, because I have a new hard drive that I want to bring with me. So I figured I should unbox it for you guys, so you'll see it, and that's going to be my morning. All right, guys, the airport soon, and then Ottawa. All right, here's my room. Yeah, the Hampton Suites. Looks nice. Here's the bathroom. Okay, what's wrong with that? A nice shower. Very nice. Got a mirror. Place to hang my stuff. The one part that's too bad. It's the one part. Got a nice view of nothing. Sweet. You don't see, or maybe that mirror is in front of it. So I'm like, this is slidey. Is there a closet? Ah, I would have been upset if I was here for all week and didn't realize there was a closet, because you close the door when you're in it, then you open it. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna unpack and get ready for bed. Alright, so breakfast was good. I was a little worried. I have some issues with foods that I can eat, and breakfast can be a hard one. So they had bacon, they had eggs, potatoes, good. So now back to the room and get ready for Minnie. So first day is done. Went and did my work from left here at 7:30 in the morning. And we went till, with all the backups and everything that I had to do to finish and all that, it was probably close to 5. So what is that, 8.5 hours, something like that. And then went out for dinner with friends of mine. And it is currently 10 after 8, and I'm exhausted. So I think there's a really good chance that I'm gonna do this right here. Maybe watch some TV. Oh, I'm beat. And you know what? They have real TV here. Channels. That sucks. I'm so used to streaming stuff. Like, I can pick whatever I want to watch. There's nothing on TV. I watched the Weather Network this morning for like 20 minutes. Yeah. Why not? Why is there no YouTube on here? Like, that's all I want. Just YouTube. Doesn't cost anybody anything. Put YouTube on that TV. Then I'd be happy. All right, guys. Tomorrow's day is the same as really today, except that I'm going to go to the Apple store at night. So maybe I'll talk to you after or when I'm there or something like that. All right. I'm out. Good night. See you tomorrow morning or tomorrow sometime. Later. Okay, so day 2 in the bag. Only one more day. And you may see it. Garlic shawarma potatoes. Shawarma potatoes. Yeah, that's my dinner. And check it. Yeah, I bought a Mac Studio. Is this a good idea? I don't know, but I know I have 2 weeks to try it and see what I think, and I'll definitely do an unboxing video when I get home. And I'm going to put it through some just tests to see how much faster it is for the things I do, and really see if it warrants the price for the performance, mostly like the time savings. If I can cut some of the processes down like in half, where it would be an hour down to half an hour, and I got to do that multiple times throughout the day, that could be worth it all by itself. So that's the hope. Anyways, it's almost 9 o'clock at night. I'm tired. Tomorrow's the last day of working here, Thursday, and then I fly back home Friday. So nothing exciting planned for tomorrow. Just work and then coming back here and kind of vegging out, I think. And then Friday we'll see, because it's the flight. So I don't know what's left of this video. You'll see, I guess. All right, I gotta eat my potatoes and get ready for bed. Oh, I knocked the camera over. Oh. Alright. How do people do this anymore? I don't even understand. Oh, I'm so tired. Today was rough. It was a rough jumper. Just being like exhausted. Anyways, work week's kind of done. Travel tomorrow. Travel back home. So I don't expect anything to be exciting for the trip home. So that's it. That was my week. Ottawa. There it is, Ottawa. Yeah, it was a blast. I'm seeing one friend tomorrow, my good friend Donald, and we're going, I think, for lunch, and then airport. So miss the girls. Yep, miss the girls. So it'll be nice to see them all. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. I will see you back at home. Okay, on a side note, before I let you guys go, there's a little unboxing / review coming out in a little bit for this power adapter here. I've been using it for the whole trip, and it's fantastic. I plug it in, and I've been taking it to work with me. I can power both my laptops off of it. So I got my Mac here right now, but I've also been carrying my Lenovo with me. Nope, that's not right. My Huawei, that's been with me. So basically, the Mac is what I'm doing the editing on, and the Huawei is what I've been using to do all the business documents and all that kind of stuff on there. So it's kind of been nice to have both machines so that you're not like, this one's rendering and doing stuff and this one's, then you're like, oh, I gotta wait for it to finish. Nope, I just go over here and work on this. Both of them powered, and not that I have this plugged in here, but when I'm at work, I have my wireless charger down here plugged into it as well, charging my phone. Yeah, one charger. Yeah, it's awesome. Works like a champ. All right, that's it. I gotta do a little bit more work.